I'm going to talk today about Atripla lawsuits. Our law firm is bringing lawsuits against Gilead Sciences, the maker of the drug. The lawsuits really focus on Truvada, or TDF, which is a component of many of the older generation HIV medications, including Atripla. Truvada and Atripla are known to cause very dangerous side effects, in particular kidney disease and loss of bone density. What happens is that Truvada pools in the renal tubular, which can cause kidney disease and renal failure. This then lowers the body's ability to process phosphate, which leads to demineralization of the bones, and thus osteoporosis and osteopenia. This puts patients at a much greater risk of breaking or fracturing their bones and of losing their teeth. The lawsuits allege that Gilead had a much better and safer drug called TAF, which it could have brought to the market more than 10 years ago. TAF is much more absorbable by the body and thus more effective at suppressing HIV. And because it is more absorbable, TAF is also much safer and much less likely to cause kidney damage and bone injuries. We believe the company could have brought the safer drug to the market in the early 2000s, but it delayed for more than a decade because it wanted to wait until its patent ran out on Truvada. Essentially, it withheld a safer and better drug for more than a decade for business reasons, putting profits over people. People call me every day from across the country who are suffering the side effects of Atripla. Their kidneys are inflamed. Their teeth are falling out. They have a slight fall on the sidewalk that causes terrible bone fractures. And the people who call me are very ambivalent because they appreciate that this company did in fact make a drug that saved their lives. I mean, Truvada and Atripla can make you undetectable for the rest of your life. Thank God we have the ability to do that. But it could have been done in a safer way. People's lives could have been saved in a way that didn't cause needless kidney and bone injuries. If you took Atripla or any TDF-based medication and you suffered kidney or bone injuries, we invite you to call us 24 hours a day here at the Shouse Law Group. We invite you to join our litigation and to say to the drug companies that when it comes to a patient's well-being, people should always come before profits.